Behind every innovative device are carefully designed components. Whether it's an adhesive that keeps a heart monitor in place or a microneedle patch delivering medication, these components are shaping the future of healthcare. In this video, we'll break down what medical device components are and explore some of the biggest trends in medical technology. Medical device components are essentially the building blocks of any medical device. They include everything from printed circuit boards and skin adhesive sensors to imaging systems, battery cases, and cable assemblies. Since medical devices vary so much in complexity and function, manufacturers often outsource specialized components to ensure efficiency, precision, and compliance with industry standards. One of the biggest shifts is in remote monitoring technology. Devices like cardiovascular monitors, pulse oximeters, and continuous glucose monitors are becoming more advanced, allowing patients to track their health in real time. A key challenge with these devices is how they attach to the skin, which is why differential adhesives, designed to stick securely to both skin and device materials, are so important. Another major trend is diagnostic testing, especially rapid tests like PCR and glucose meters. Many of these tests rely on microfluidic components, which allow for more precise and efficient testing with minimal invasiveness. Mouth tape is also gaining popularity as a sleep aid and jaw posture correction tool. Made from skin-friendly micropore tape, brands are now experimenting with breathability to improve comfort. In the world of medical imaging, radiopaque markers are being used more frequently to help highlight specific areas during x-rays and scans. These markers, often built into stick-to-skin adhesives or coatings, make it easier for doctors to analyze images. Then there are surgical adhesives, which help keep everything organized in the operating room, securing cables, checklists, and drapes while maintaining a sterile environment. The last innovation we are going to go over is microneedling devices, which deliver medications gradually through tiny microneedles. These devices require precise automation and specialized adhesives to ensure safe and effective use. Developing medical device components requires a thorough understanding of material requirements, as certain components may need specialized adhesives or cleanroom manufacturing. Finding the right manufacturer is crucial, as experience in producing FDA-compliant and high-quality parts can significantly impact the final product. Additionally, optimizing for efficiency is essential, and working with a converter like Strouse can help companies select cost-effective materials, automate processes, and enhance overall production quality. If you want to learn more about medical devices and industry trends, head over to our Learning Center where we have more articles and videos on these topics. Thanks for watching.